Have you ever wanted to play the latest AAA titles like Assassin's Creed Odyssey, but couldn't due to hardware limitations? Well, my friend Google's vision for the future of gaming might just completely resolve your issues. Hey guys, Saman here, and in this episode of Tech Explained series, let's break down the future of gaming named as Google Stadia. Google is possibly the most renowned tech firm of all time. We all use Google's products and services on a daily basis. In fact, the video that you're watching right now is made possible through Google's video streaming platform, YouTube. Similar to YouTube, you can now stream effortlessly to play your favorite AAA games using the new Google Stadia Games streaming service. This new gaming service by Google completely eliminates the need for investing in gaming hardware. Additionally, you don't even have to download the games to play them on your PC or smartphone. Yes, you heard that right. Google Stadia can also be used on a smartphone. In fact, any device that supports Google Chrome web browser, be it a PC, a smartphone, or even a Chromebook, can effortlessly run Google Stadia. Google has claimed that Stadia can provide a high-quality gameplay experience with a maximum of 60 FPS and 4K resolution. During the launch event, Google even demoed Stadia on a low-end PC, a Pixel 3 smartphone, and a tablet. It is worth noting that Google Stadia is a cloud-based gaming service, so all of your in-game progress is automatically synced across all of your devices. So even if you forget your gaming laptop at home, you can still continue playing your games on a smartphone from where you left off. Google is heavily relying on YouTube and Chrome for the successful implementation of Google Stadia. For instance, let's just say that you're watching the trailer for your favorite game on YouTube. After the completion of the video, YouTube will now pop up an option to play that particular game within a few seconds, and you will find yourself in the game environment. Using Google Stadia, you can even share your in-game accomplishments with your friends, and even ask them to join multiplayer games. Presently, Google hasn't revealed the list of officially supported games, but we can expect major publishers like Rockstar, Ubisoft, EA, and many others to join in the Google Stadia project. And similar to Netflix, we can expect Google Stadia to be a paid subscription service. Google has also introduced a dedicated controller for the Stadia. This controller can be used to sync your data using Wi-Fi, and it can also be used to trigger Google Assistant. That said, you can also still play games with your pre-owned Bluetooth controllers or keyboard and mouse setup. Right now, Stadia sounds like the best innovation in the gaming industry. But just wait. There are many issues associated with Google Stadia which Google claims to overcome in the coming years. And one of the primary requirements for the proper functioning of Stadia is high-speed internet connectivity. And in addition to high-speed internet, Stadia will eat up gigabytes of data within seconds. So if your internet plan offers a limited amount of data, or you just have poor internet speed, then Stadia isn't perfect for you. But you can also solve the above-mentioned problem with Google Fiber, or you can wait for 5G to become a mainstream technology. And another major issue with Stadia is the latency while playing games. Google has claimed that Stadia is backed up with the most powerful computers in its backend, but you will need a stable internet connectivity with a minimum speed of 25 Mbps to play games at 1080p quality with 60 FPS. So even if your internet speed drops down to 24 Mbps, you will experience lags and frame rate drops, which can even lead to failure in fast-paced multiplayer games. But with the passage of time, we can expect Google to overcome the above-mentioned issues. Overall, Google Stadia is an amazing concept, and we can soon expect it to become a mainstream gaming technology in the near future. Well, if you have made it this far into the video, then do share your thoughts and opinions on Google Stadia in the comment section below. And if you found the video to be informative, then do leave a like and share it with your friends. And as always, thanks for watching. This is Saman signing out.